I broke the good girl spell. I used to think being a good woman meant being agreeable, easy to love, easy to access, easy to overlook. I thought strength meant silence. I thought kindness meant self-abandonment. I thought being chosen was the reward for shrinking. So I smiled when I was hurting, said yes when I meant no, stayed available when I was empty, kept the peace while losing my own. I called it maturity. I called it loyalty. I called it being a good girl. But let me tell you what it really was. Fear. Fear of disappointing people. Fear of being called difficult. Fear of being misunderstood. Fear that if I had boundaries, I would lose love. So I performed goodness while betraying myself quietly. Until one day, my soul got tired. Tired of over-explaining. Tired of over-giving. Tired of pretending everything was okay when it wasn't. And I heard a new voice rise in me. A woman's voice. She said, "You do not need to be easy to deserve love. You do not need to be silent to be respected. You do not need to be exhausted to be worthy." So I changed. I started pausing before agreeing. I started saying no without a paragraph. I started pulling back without guilt. I started asking, "Does this honor me too?" I did not become cold. I became clear. I did not become selfish. I became sacred. I did not become hard to love. I became harder to misuse. Now I walk differently, not because I hate who I was, but because I thank her. She survived with the tools she had, but I am the woman she prayed for. I am soft with discernment, kind with standards, loving with boundaries, open with wisdom. I no longer perform goodness. I embody power. I am not here to be the good girl anymore. I am here to be the whole woman. And trust me, she is far more dangerous, far more beautiful, and far more free. I broke the good girl spell.
I learned to smile when I was hurting, say yes when I needed no. Kept the peace while losing pieces of the woman no one knew. I wore patience like a necklace, carried silence like a crown. Stayed available for everybody while my own soul was breaking down. They call me sweet, they call me strong, but nobody asked what it cost me all along. I broke the good girl spell, I set myself free. No more shrinking down to be loved by anybody. I found my voice again, I know myself too well. I am not here to disappear. I broke the good girl spell. I thought love meant overgiving, thought birth came from sacrifice, thought being chosen was the blessing, even if I paid the price. I bent until I almost vanished, was starving for the woman I was meant to be. I broke the good girl spell, I set myself free. No more making pain look pretty, no more losing me. I found my fire again, I know myself too well. I am not here to beg for love, I broke the good girl spell. Now my softness has standards, now my kindness has lines, now my love includes me too. Now this life is mine. If they call me different, that only means I heal. The girl who feared rejection made room for something real. I broke the good girl spell, look how I rise now. No more apologizing for the woman I am now. I choose peace, I choose truth, I choose me as well. I am whole, I am free. I broke the good girl spell.